Friends, hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will show you and tell you how you can very easily turn off red notifications in Facebook Messenger app. Please friends, subscribe to our channel, be sure to give us likes, and also write comments at the end of the video. And let's get to our topic. Please open the Facebook Messenger app on your phone. And then in the upper left corner, click on the three bars. Next, click on the gear. After which, select Privacy. Here, scroll to the very bottom and select under What do people see? Read answers. And to you, if you don't have active, like I have at the moment, you'll just have to turn them off by clicking on this button. That way people won't be able to see when you've read their message in the Facebook Messenger app. But let me tell you right away that in the same way, you friends won't be able to see when someone else has read your Facebook Messenger message either. Friends, this is the simple way you can quickly and easily turn off red notifications in Messenger. I really hope this video helped you and was helpful. Please subscribe to the channel, put your likes, write comments, and see you soon.